Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining us here in the charts. Market-based edition, fellow competitor speaking. I want to spend a little bit of time to explain this Micron Technology Inc. instrument. I've been looking at it for some time, and I have some interesting technical information news for you. So if you are long-term investing and you're bullish on this, just hear me out until the end, please. And we're just going to go ahead and dive right into it. I don't have any beautiful lines in the chart, but I'm just going to kind of just listen with me, and I'll explain to you the reason that I'm saying that there could be a pretty interesting move down. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive into it here. And yeah, let's dive into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today's June the 2nd, 2021, and the current or the previous close of this stock is going to be $80.33, slightly positive, approximately 0.2% for the day. Okay. All right, welcome back, everyone. ASMR, interesting analysis. So I was able to find two lines, and when I pull them up, no need to panic here. All right, bulls. All right, here we go. Okay, so yes, the $56 level. I'm not saying it's going to get that low. Just hear me out, okay? So what I've done is, what we're looking at is first and foremost are the 3-month candles. And let's just kind of get a zoom in here. And I want to show you something that is interesting to me. Okay. So this 3-month candle just recently closed. Okay. We got a new freshly minted candle. It's only 2 days old. And this market opened, or this candle opened on July the 1st. Okay. But pay attention to the candle just to the left of it here. Ladies and gentlemen, what you are looking at is a bearish candle, all right? And this candle signals a reversal in the market, okay? Now, the higher the time frame, the more substantial the more significant the candle. This is why we're looking at 3-month candles. And what I want to also do is back out, okay? Let's kind of back out so that we can get a macroscopic look of everything, okay? This is everything ever since the beginning of time, all the way back in 1984 in April, when the market started out near $1.41, all the way down here, if you could see that. But like you see, like this is everything. I'm pointing this out because when you zoom out, right, you can see that the last time the market had a rejection at this 91 level, okay, right about here, was back in 2000, back in the dot-com bubble, right there. 3-month candles, it had a substantial, I think it was like a 58% drop to the downside in the year 2020. Yeah, it was about like 54%. Now let's get into why I'm saying that there. So I guess if you guys want to take notes, if you're long-term investing, I was able to measure a minimum of potentially 20 to 40% move to the downside, okay? Which means that from this side, let's kind of erase that for now. And let's just kind of get into the levels here. I know some of you come for the technicals and the levels. So within the next 3 to 6 months, we could, being the operative word, experience a 20 to 40% move to the downside. And it's not just going to happen in one day. So please understand that this will likely take time to move down if it's going to move down. Okay, let's get to the levels here. So the only thing I did was I just measured from like the open of this July candle here, which is actually $82.24, and then I measured down 20%. I think it's only going to experience a 20% move down if it actually moves down. So let's go ahead and get to the numbers. So let's say 20%. Let's not even measure the 40%. Let's just stick with the 20% for now. Let's say that Napoleon macro is accurate this time, right? For once, and the market goes down 20%, that is going to be a measurement of about $65. Okay, that's the move down. But one of the interesting things that I noticed, although we've already pointed out this bearish candle, which is it's a 3-month reversal candle, guys. This is not like a joke or something like flick it off saying, oh yeah, this dude has no idea what he's talking about. No, guys, it's a 3-month candle. Okay. Although we found this 3-month candle, I also found this extremely bullish 3-month candle right here. Pardon me, that was loud in your ear there. You see this 3-month candle? this is a sign that there is a significant amount of buying pressure in this market, okay? And the reason that I bring that up to your attention is because when you find a substantial candle like this, what you do is you put a line at the open, okay? Remember, this $56 is just simply, remember what my job is, okay? I point out support and resistance for you guys in patterns. No patterns here, but the previous level of resistance from the 3-month candles, $56. Okay, not saying it's going to get that low, but if we're going to put the green line at a practical level where the buyers have an opportunity to maintain control from a 3-month candles bodies perspective, it's going to be $75. So let's go ahead and change that number there. Since we're not that far away, let's go ahead and change that. Kind of, to have the investors just cool off just a bit there, guys. Take it one step at a time. $75 will be the level of control from the buyers. And basically what that means is the 3-month candles must maintain closing candles bodies above $75. Okay? All right. So that's pretty much what I have for that. And let me just also explain to you, and then we'll close it out here, guys. I actually think this stock will reach substantially higher levels, but I think it will go through some turmoil first for a minimum of the next 3 to 6 months. That's my prediction. And we'll close it out here, and I'm just going to show you the reason why I say that the market could move down a minimum of 20% up to 40%, maybe more, but that's my conservative retracement, 20%. So what I do is I just go back to every single large reversal candle and a red candle right here at July 2020. I take this candle, I say, okay, cool. This is the reversal candle, July 2020 for the 3-month. And then all I do is just measure the next candle after that candle, which is right about here within the 3-month range of October 2020. And then I measured the move down within those 3 months. So on this candle, we have, so that's going to measure 41% down. And then I just did the same thing to all the 3-month candles. And I just kind of moved it over here. Hopefully you guys are with me there. And you see that the only thing that I'm doing is I'm measuring the retracement after identifying a 3-month red reversal candle. Same thing here at about October 1995. The reversal candle came in. And then, of course, I took a conservative measurement of the following candle here, January 1996. And, of course, I measured that one. And that's a total of about 33%. So hopefully you can just kind of pull up your charts and see that. I'll just do one more just for an example. Let's see if we can move like over here something. So we move this over here. Remember, the first thing I look for is the actual reversal candle, the red reversal candle, which is right here at January of 2015. And then I measured the retracement of the following candle, April, the 3 months thereof, April 2015. You take the measurement and then you do that's going to be a 37%. So as you can see, there's substantial retracements after you get a 3-month reversal candle in the market. But of course, this is, again, guys, I truly think that the market will likely experience a higher levels eventually. But hopefully that explanation is good enough for everyone to say, okay, I see what you're saying, Napoleon. We do have the red reversal candle. This is the candle close. This is a successful red reversal candle to close. So right now we're going to already like the average 20% to the downside. So I just wanted to kind of, elaborate and explain exactly why I say it's a 20 to 40% retracement potentially incoming after we get a successful 3-month candle to close on the chart. Okay, that's the end of the lesson. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. So leave an appropriate thumb below the video if you enjoyed the content or if you learned something there. Okay, you pull up the higher time frames, you guys will be amazed at the things that you can find. So yeah, for the YouTube algorithm, just leave that support, guys, a thumb either direction and a comment. You can even just say, I don't know, just leave a dot or say comment or just type in. Some people say, okay, I'm leaving a comment. They'll just type that out. That's pretty cool. All right. And also, if you're new, before you go, we covered the alternative markets, Bitcoin, altcoins. Kindly subscribe to the bell and we'll send you that information when it is available. Once again, thanks for listening on to the end. Here's support. Appreciate that. Thank you for your time. We'll talk soon. Execute your strategies. And bye for now, guys.